All right, guys, can I get everybody to sit down so we can start the meeting? All right, thanks. I want to welcome everybody to the Camping Influencer Council Summer Report Meeting. I'm really stoked to see how everybody's summer went, and I can't wait to get a rundown on what you have planned for the winter, seeing as how we've already planned for the fall. We are waiting for Ultralight. He's running behind, but as usual, he'll be here when he gets here. And I want to remind everybody that Overland here is actually in the driveway on a Zoom call.
Hi guys, I'm super happy to be here.
God, Overlander, you do this every time. Sorry, I gotta get some of this stuff out of my pockets. I mean, you're right here. Why don't you just come in from the driveway? You don't have to be in your car. You can come join us at the meeting. I always have so much stuff in my pockets, and the only way I can be comfortable to sit down is to do that. Like, dude, just come in. Come on. I don't understand why you won't just come join us at the meeting.
Guys, you know I can't do that. I have to keep an eye on my Gaia. I have a live stream running right now. I have 5 maps downloading on Onyx Off-Road, and I gotta keep the rig idling so I can keep my Domatic fridge running. Can't come inside.
All right, guys, jeez. Sorry I'm late. You know, being ultralight, you gotta make sure you keep your trail legs, so I had to get my 11 miles in. Man, what a day. All right. Whew. Ultralight, would you please just sit down so we can get this meeting started? God damn it, you know I can't carry a chair. They're like almost 0.3 of a gram, and that would put my base weight above 3.5 pounds, and that is absolutely insane. I cannot carry a chair. What is wrong with you guys? Ultralight, you have a chair here at the table. It's right next to you. Just sit down so we can get started. Oh, there is? Oh. Hey. It's really nice. Thanks, guys. Ultralight, what is wrong with you? Well, you know, I decided that my sunglasses actually weighed 0.05 grams. And if I kept carrying them, it was just gonna put me over my load limit. So I figured I could get away without it. Thinking back to it now, it was probably a mistake to get rid of my sunglasses, man. Oh, my eyes hurt. Hey, Ultralight, if you want to, you're welcome to borrow a pair of my sunglasses. You just have to make sure you promise to bring them back. Because you know what they say, 1 is none, 2 is 1. And you know me, I like to be prepared. So, you're welcome to borrow a pair. Guys, come on. We've got to get this meeting done or our sponsors are going to drop us for the upcoming season. So can we please just focus for a few minutes and get this done? Come on. All right, Overlander, let's start with you.
And you know guys, I had some really great luck with all my new gear. I was able to find some really awesome stuff on Amazon that I was able to...
Well, and you know, I was really proud of myself this year on all of my hikes. I only took 1 extra tent. So instead of carrying 3 or 4, I only had 2 tents. And you know, after the midpoint of the summer, by the time I got my trail legs, I was averaging about 42 miles a day. And you know, really surprised with how many great camp spots we found, how many nice hikes we went on, and just overall the amazing amount of content I was able to get this summer. I can't wait to see what fall brings, and I can't wait till our next meeting where we can really plan what we're going to do for winter and spring so that we have plenty of time for our up and coming summer stuff. Hey, also you guys, if anybody has seen stealth or bushcrafting, would you please make sure that they're going to make it to the next meeting? It would be really... Don't you guys want my report? God damn it, Stealth, stop doing that. All right, that's it. Meeting adjourned. I'll see you guys next month.
Alright y'all, I know this was a completely different video and I really appreciate you sticking around to the end. I wanted to try something different. I've been kind of toying with the idea of throwing something like this out there. If you did enjoy it, please go down and leave a comment. If you're feeling super generous, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Otherwise, we'll be back to some more gear or exterior repairs next week, and we'll kind of see how this video does. But again, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was funny, and I hope it was something a little bit different. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next video. Be well, my friends. Am I in focus? Am I? Am I?
Hey, no, not right now. I know. It's almost time, but not quite. So, come off. All right, come on. Hey, I know. You like the camelback, huh? Hey. You're such a good boy, but not right now. Hey, come on. All right, beep, beep. Sit.